To set up a new eBay channel in Chaos Control Cloud, from the Channels part of the system, click on New Channel at the top of the screen. We're then presented with a dialog so we can select which type of channel we're creating, and we'll select eBay. The system will then open the channel setup screen, and the first thing we need to do is to give our channel a name. Once your eBay seller's credentials have been entered, the Channel Enable toggle will turn on and off the system's communication with the eBay channel. The order ref format field enables us to add a prefix or suffix to the eBay order number for easy identification. Once this is set, however, we recommend that you don't change this to eliminate the possibility of importing the same order more than once. Turning on Use Generic Customer will prevent the system from creating new customer records for customers placing orders through your eBay channel for the first time. Instead, a generic eBay customer is created each month, and all the eBay orders for that month will be assigned to that customer. Once the system is connected to eBay, it's important to leave the Don't Import Orders toggle turned on until you've identified any eBay orders that you don't wish to import into Chaos Control Cloud, and we'll see how to do that shortly. In order for the system to upload shipping notifications to eBay, the Don't Upload Order Status toggle needs to be turned off. Similarly, in order for the system to upload stock levels to eBay, the Don't Upload Stock Status needs to be turned off also. It's possible to select which description to use for stock items on the sales order related paperwork. The description from the channel can be used, or the description in Chaos Control Cloud. This is useful if the description on the channel, for instance, is in a foreign language. Similarly, the date of the order can be set to the date the order was placed on the channel, or the date it was imported into Chaos Control Cloud. For overseas marketplaces, the channel currency can also be set, but as this is a UK eBay channel, we'll set ours to sterling. This section is where your eBay seller credentials are entered, allowing the system to communicate with your eBay store. In the global settings under Channel Order Types, there are 4 attributes that need to be set on the right hand side of the screen. Firstly, we need to select the site from which our eBay orders are going to be fulfilled. This is if you're a multi-site operation, and we do this via the lookup and select the site we want to fulfill our eBay orders from. These need to have been set up in system data beforehand. We then set the default customer classification we want to attribute to any new customers that are created as a result of placing eBay orders. And we then need to set a default courier for our eBay orders. These need to be set up in the couriers table in system data. And finally, we can set a sales source to mark against our eBay orders. By using the New button, we can add additional attributes that we might want to specify, for example key codes, bank accounts, etc. Any other shipping services we may offer on eBay can be selected on the left-hand side of the screen, and then specific couriers can be selected by adding the courier attribute on the right-hand side of the screen and looking up the appropriate courier. Once we've turned on the communication between Chaos Control Cloud and eBay using the Channel Enable toggle, any recent orders would be displayed in the Imported Orders screen. It's important that we review the orders in this grid, and any orders that we don't want to import into the system, we use the Grid Actions menu to mark them as Ignore, Don't Import. Once we're happy we've done this, we can go back to the Main tab and turn off the Don't Import Orders toggle. Chaos Control Cloud will then start importing orders from eBay. For details on how to control how the system uploads stock levels to eBay, please see our separate video on the Stock tab. Thanks for watching.